Design 1.
Our design is called Life X12.
We have designed a system that will produce oxygen, food, water and shelter that will help us survive on Mars.
I need sunlight to shine on the mirror, which will reflect onto the plants, which will cause condensation and climatize it to Earth.
The solar panel will produce electricity, which will activate the filter and oxygen generator.
The plants will take in carbon dioxide and monoxide and send it into the oxygen generator, which will spread the oxygen through the integrated system.
We have made the living area out of bricks to keep the warmth inside. This will be suitable for us to live in. In our design, we have a water tank and filter. The filter cleans the water so we can drink, and the tank stores all the water.
Our design ticks all the boxes for us to survive on Mars.
Design 2.
Our design brief was that we had to design a system that would meet the needs of humans to survive on Mars. We needed to consider the needs for us to survive: food, water and oxygen. These will make the explorers on Mars have a healthy life. Our device is called the Plantifier. Its function is to grow edible food, create drinkable water and produce breathable oxygen.
It includes solar panels, water tanks, glass roof, backup heater, and a switch. The solar panels help give energy to our project, helping the plants grow. Water tanks help pump water to the plants. The glass roof shows sun to the plants to give it heat, and a switch that turns the water on and off.
It also includes a carbon dioxide pump, giving carbon dioxide to the plants for them to grow, with an oxygen storing chamber storing the oxygen from the plants, a dehumidifier which extracts the water from the humid atmosphere, and a device filtering the water and giving the leftover carbon dioxide to the plants.
Our Plantifier has a length of 6.5 meters, a width of 3 meters and a height of 4 meters. The Plantifier is important because it produces food, water and oxygen to the explorers on Mars.
Design 3.
We have to design a system that will meet the needs of humans to survive on Mars. We need to consider the needs to help us survive. We are going to consider shelter, oxygen and food.
Our design is called the Survivor Provider. Its function is to provide oxygen, food and shelter. To get the oxygen, we build a greenhouse so the plants' oxygen can go throughout the house. To get the food, it's also from the greenhouse, from the plants and trees we grew. Then for the shelter, we have a separate part of the house to sleep and do activities for well-being.
On the roof of the main entry, it is shiny so the sun can reflect on it, so then the plants will grow faster. The shelter and main entry is composed of bricks so you feel more at home.
Design 4.
Mars Life is a design made for our survival and well-being on Mars. It's powered by a solar-paneled electric generator and has a pool, cafeteria, seed store, a lab, and more rooms to experiment in. It even includes toilets and 2 dormitories. The design brief is we had to design a system that will meet the needs of humans to survive on Mars. We had to consider the needs that will help us survive. The needs that will be in this design are oxygen, shelter, food, and water. The criteria is to keep people happy, help us survive, keep us safe from natural disasters such as dust storms and acid rain. Its function is to keep people alive.
The material used to compose this is metal, since metal is shiny, it will reflect the sunlight, pressuring the atmosphere, meaning it would be just like Earth's atmosphere. In conclusion, Mars life will not only keep us happy, it will protect us from the harsh conditions Mars will bring.